gorgeous ace denim from Fabric Godmother and I really want to make a shacket with it. And today I am exploring 3 patterns to see which one I like best. Hi, my name is Shannon and this is my channel, The Sewing Warehouse, your go-to spot for all things stitch related. Let's talk about this fabric first. It is a non-stretch denim fabric. It weighs about 9 ounces, so it's like a medium to heavyweight denim. It is super soft. It's really nice to the touch. And it is a leopard print, as you can see, which is super on trend right now, so it is the perfect time to make it up. When I first got this fabric in my dream wardrobe box, I immediately knew I wanted to make a shacket with it. For those of you who don't know what a shacket is, it is a combination between a shirt and a jacket. It's all in the name. I don't own any shacket patterns, so I'm going to run through 3 of them right now to see which one I like best. The first pattern is the really popular Ilford Jacket by Friday Cotton Company. This is a unisex pattern, so that means it's quite a boxy fit. It comes in sizes XS to 7XL, which translates to a chest of 81.3 centimeters to 152 centimeters, a waist from 61 centimeters to 135 centimeters, and hips from 86.4 centimeters to 160 centimeters. There is a long version and a short version. The short version comes just to the hips and the long version hits just above the knees. The pattern comes with a lot of pocket templates and you can choose which one to use. You can make it in any kind of woven fabric, which means it's a very versatile pattern. It is unlined, which means it is perfect for the beginner sewist. The second pattern is the Logan Shacket by Style Arc. It is a bit more tailored than the Ilford, but still oversized. It comes with inseam pockets and really big breast pocket. It comes in sizes 4 to 36, which translates to a chest of 70 centimeters by 172 centimeters, a waist of 60 centimeters to 155 centimeters, and hips of 83 centimeters to 178 centimeters, making this a very size inclusive pattern. This pattern is made for woven fabrics, and some of the fabrics they recommend are boiled wool, denim, linen and corduroy. And I have seen lots of beautiful versions made up on Instagram. The last pattern I want to talk to you about is the Thea Shacket by Barra Studio. This is a bit of a more tailored jacket, but it still fits over a jumper. It comes in 2 lengths, it has a curved hem and the sleeves have cuffs. It comes in sizes XS to XL, which translates to a chest of 74 centimeters to 117 centimeters. A waist of 60 centimeters to 104 centimeters and hips of 86 to 120 centimeters. It can be made in a medium to heavyweight woven fabric, and I really love that it comes with breast pockets that have like flaps with buttons on. So yeah, let me know below in the comments which pattern you think I should make, and stay tuned for the final result. As always, thank you for watching, and for now, let's go sew.